Hello there. This is how to upload images and share them on Google Drive. So first thing you need to do is just open up your Google Chrome, and then if you look at the top right corner, you're going to find this box or like the square of dots. You just need to click on that. And then in the menu or the drop-down menu, you're going to find Drive. So you just need to click on that. Or you could just type Google Drive in the URL bar or the search bar, but I just prefer this method because I don't need to type anything. So just click on Drive and it will automatically take you to your Google Drive. And then if you're not signed in, just of course, sign in. And then what you need to do is just add a new file here. So if you have multiple files, it's better to create a folder for that. You can just do that by clicking on this plus new button and then click on new folder. Let's call this test folder. Then click on create. It will automatically take you to My Drive and then highlight the folder you just created. Then you need to double click on that to enter the folder. And now it's the step where we upload the files or upload the pictures. So let me just open up my Finder right here. And then I have these photos selected. Let me select them again. So how to select multiple photos, by the way, you just hold the Shift key and just select the photos. So it's just picture of a cartoon character, Nolan Arbaugh, the Neuralink volunteer, and Elon Musk. So I'll just drag and drop over here, and they're uploading right now, and right there. So they're uploaded already. So what you can do is share these photos or share this folder with someone else. However, the problem that you're going to face is that you're the only one who's able to view this folder at the moment. So how can you fix that? You can just click on this arrow right here and then click on share. Click on share in the drop-down menu and then change this from restricted to anyone with a link. Now, anyone with a link can currently view this folder. If you want them to be able to add folders or add documents or pictures, you can just change it to editor. Or if you want them to be able to just add comments, you can change it to commenter. And then what you need to do is just copy the link and click on done and then send it to the person you want to share the file with. So let's try that out. I copied the link already, so I'll just paste it right here and then go, and it will take me to the test folder. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that video was helpful.